Frankie.
What happened?
Oh, stop. Shh. Watch this. What is this?
Ooh.
Yes. Hello friends and welcome to Science Freak Show with your Dr. Meso and my dear friend Frankie. Hello Frankie. How are you?
I'm good.
What are we doing today?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
He don't know?
I don't know.
Shut up. Okay. No, it's okay.
I'm back.
Friends. So, we were working on a very interesting project today and I'm going to share you with it. Share you? No. We are going to tell you about it. But before that, where are the gifts, Frankie? Where are the gifts, Frankie? Ah, gifts! Friends! Frankie, stop! Friends! First of all, do one thing. Log on to the Merispa app and start answering a simple question. And the question that is here, and you can win this prize. Frankie, where is the prize? Yes, this prize, friends. So don't forget, answer, and now, are we forgetting something, Frankie? Again?
I don't know.
No.
I don't know.
Can you hit me, please? Yes. I remember. You know what, Frankie? What are we forgetting? Yes, friends. Please like, comment, share. Also visit our
YouTube
page over here. Okay? Now, what were we doing, Frankie? This is what we were doing. What is this, Frankie?
This is a diagram.
This is it. Oh, this is a diagram. Wonderful. You can't see, guys, right? Friends, you can't see, right? Let me zoom it in for you. Zoom in. Now, what is this, Frankie? It's a human diagram. You see a human body over here and a lot of arrows going here and there. This. You know what are these organs, Frankie? Huh? You know, friends, what are these organs?
They look like nuggets. Chicken nuggets.
They are not chicken nuggets, Frankie. No. Okay, I'll tell you what they are. But first of all, you have to tell me what is the most important organ in our body. My body. Most important organ in our body. Come on, what is the most important organ in our body, Frankie? You don't know?
I don't know.
He don't know. There is no one important organ in our body, friends. That's why he don't know. There are many important organs in our body. But we will discuss about some of the most important organs. Okay? First comes.
Where do we begin?
First comes the thinking. So give me the brain, Frankie. Here's the brain, Frankie. Yes. Sometimes I can't see. That's why I'm wearing these glasses. Oh. Okay. This is a brain. Can you see, friends? Let me zoom it again for you. And this is how a brain looks like.
Ooh.
I have made a small model for you, Frankie, so that we can properly understand brain. What does brain does, friends? What does brain does? Frankie?
It helps me to think.
Yes, this is the memory center. It helps us think. We can perform all our functions, moving my hand, moving my fingers, wearing my glasses, putting my cap, and hitting Frankie. These kind of decisions I can take with the help of my brain. And now, next important organ, Frankie. Our breathing. Okay, calm down. Slowly. Breathe slowly. Breathe slowly, Frankie. Okay. Next important is breathing. And which is the organ that helps us to breathe, Frankie? Lungs. As you can see, friends, these are the lungs. And this is how we made our design model lungs for us to see how everything works. And next, Next is what is the important organ in our body, Frankie?
No, don't take my heart.
Oh, heart. Okay. Now, friends, Frankie and everybody, what is the importance of our heart?
I don't know.
You don't know? Do you know, friends?
It pumps orange juice through my body.
Orange juice? No. Okay, this is our heart, a model that looks like a heart, and then this is the position of our heart. Yes, Frankie?
Ooh.
Yes. Here are the lungs, here are the heart.
Then what it pumps?
Heart is always on the left side, right, Frankie?
Yeah.
Yes. Well, and now, next important organ, Frankie.
No, you didn't answer my question.
What was your question, Frankie?
What does heart pumps?
What does heart pumps? Pumps?
Oh.
First of all, it's an organ. It's not a water pump. Okay?
Okay.
It's not a motor pump that is it would pump something. But yes, you were right, Frankie. It does pump something. It works like a motor. It works like a motor. Sounds cool. What does it pump then? It pumps the blood in our body. The blood in our body. Oh. Can you see?
Oh, just like this motor.
Shut up. We are being very stupid now.
Okay.
Heart pumps blood. Lungs help us breathe. Brain helps us to think and decide. Right? And now, this is the upper body. But now, let's talk about lower body parts. Frankie, what is the next organ? Give me. Liver. Okay. Liver. What does liver does? Liver is somewhere over here.
It's the largest organ in our body.
It's the largest organ in our body, but here it looks very small, Frankie.
Yeah, I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't know.
This is for our understanding purpose. That's why. So, what does liver does?
I don't know.
It removes dust. It processes dust from our body, Frankie. It processes our food as well. Understands?
Okay.
Now, we'll talk about it more in coming classes. But what is the next organ, Frankie, for our model?
Not just organ, it's organs. Kidneys, there are 2 kidneys.
Oh, kidneys. Give me. Oh, kidneys.
Yes. Good.
What are the function of the kidneys?
I don't know.
What are the function
I
of
don't
our
know.
kidneys? Kidneys, and kidneys place here. Ta-da! Tell me, Frankie, stop playing. Focus. Tell me, what is the function of kidneys, Frankie?
I don't know.
Okay, come. I'll tell you. Stop. Friends, kidneys removes all the dust from our body. And we have 2 of them. Just like 2 lungs, we have 2 kidneys. And now, the most important point to figure out is how are all these organs connected in our body? Tell me. Because every organ requires blood, Frankie, blood. Yes, and every organ is connected to the heart. Yes, exactly. Every body part requires blood, and blood is pumped by the heart. So every body part we can say is connected to the heart in one way, or directly or indirectly. But before going to that, we have to understand how each and every single one of them functions. But now for today, this is it. And next class, we are going to make the connections, and we are going to discover more about human body, which we scientists call human anatomy. Human anatomy. But before that, who is going to win today, Frankie? Come on, my friend. You are answering. Is it going to be a boy or a girl? Let's find out. Win a lot of prizes. You guys also keep